Yeah, hi, good evening to everyone. Today we can discuss that JUnit framework, several annotation related things we can discuss, right? Yesterday we discussed that what is the JUnit and what is the what is unit testing, okay, what is mocking. These many things we have discussed, right? So JUnit testing we have three. That is JUnit testing, that is platform, Jupyter, and Vintage, right? That platform it provides the runtime for the Java run in run JUnit test on the Java application, but Jupyter it will provide the annotation to implement the unit test cases, right? And Vintage it is provide the backward compatibility for that JUnit 3 and JUnit 4, and then we can discuss that JUnit 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 framework. Oh, what happened? JUnit framework provided by several annotation. Several annotation to perform JUnit testing, right? To perform unit testing. So what is that? What is that? I will explain. First annotation. First annotation is at test and at parameterized test. Test at value source. And then address before all. Before all. Address after all. After all. And address before each. Address after each. So these many annotation they have provided. They have provided these many annotation. Isn't it? These many annotation they has provided. If you want to test that one, you can use either a test annotation. By using my either test annotation, you can test them. And if you are parameterized test, if they have the parameterized test, you can use the parameterized test, right? And another thing, if you want that value source, that whatever is the source, if it is source contain, it is true or not. By using the value source annotation, you can check. And also they has provided before each and after each, before all and after all. These many things also you can do by using these many annotation. You can perform the several things. And also we have the JUnit framework provided to several assertion methods as well to verify unit test result. Here, JUnit test, JUnit test provided by her JUnit test or JUnit framework, not JUnit framework provided provided several assertion methods, several assert methods, assert methods to perform to verify unit result. Okay, unit result to perform unit result. What is that? What is that unit result? By using the framework, they have the assert method, right? That assert method we have the assert equal. For example, assert equal. That assert equal contain expected and actual, right? Expected, expected and actual. Okay, expected and actual. Everything is same. Everything is as assert not equal, not equal. This also same. Okay, and then assert not equal means that also provides the expected and actual. Expected and actual. Okay, and then assert null. Okay, assert null also, and assert not null. Assert not null. And assert not null. Assert true. True. And assert false. False. Okay, assert false. Okay, etc. etc. They have provided. Okay, these no things you know, you should know. Okay, here JUnit test we have the implement with the isolation by using the JUnit test. Unit test we have the isolation as well. That purpose, we used the marking. That purpose we used the marking. What is marking? What is marking? Let me check. What is marking? Here above assert methods to verify actual and expected. If it is actual and expected is same or not, by using these methods you can expect them. Okay, you can expect them. And this marking what will do? It is marking is nothing but what is that? Marking is nothing but it is the process of creating substitute. The process of creating substitute object for real object is called what? Is called marking. Okay, marking. What is that marking? Marking is nothing but that is the process of creating substitute object for the real object is called marking. Okay, like mark objects, like let me check here. Mark obj equal to dummy obj. This one obj. Okay, object. Let me re-verify this one. Okay, this is this is called the mark object are used to unit testing. Okay, mark object is used for mark object is used for what? Mark object is used for unit testing. Unit testing. Okay, and by using mock object, by using mock obj, we can achieve what? We can achieve we can achieve isolated unit testing. Okay, isolated unit testing. Okay? Isolated unit testing we can achieve. And what is isolated? What is isolated? Here, isolated unit testing means as a unit testing means testing only. What? Testing only. Testing only. Testing only target method functionality. Target method functionality. Okay. And also there are several framework. There are several framework. There are several framework available to implement marking. Okay, marking. What is that? What is that? Here, like example, I am explaining here example. Here, easy mark, and the wire mark. Here, Mockito. Mockito. Okay. Power mark. Power mark. Okay. That's it. This is the whole topic I explained today. You should remember these many annotation. This annotation supports only JUnit5. The JUnit5 converted into three types: platform and vintage and Jupyter. Okay. Here, platform provides a runtime environment to run the JUnit testing cases for Java application, and Jupyter is provide the annotations. Whatever it is that annotation, at the rate test annotation, at the rate parameterized test, at the rate value source test, value source, at the rate before all, at the rate after all, at the rate before it, and at the rate after it. These many annotation they will use it. They will use these many annotation. By this annotation, this method functionality is getting as expected or not. If you want that method functionality is getting expected and actual is equal or not, by using the assert method, we can verify. What is that assert method? So the JUnit provided the several assert methods to verify the unit test result. Okay, to verify the unit test result here, assert equals. Here passing expected and actual. Here the what will doing this assert equal method, expected and actual are equal or not. It is not equal, it will test case will fail. If it is equal, test case will be passed. Like that, like they work internally. Here Assert equals and assert not equals and assert null and assert not null, assert true and assert false. Assert true and assert false, it will provide the boolean value true or false value by using the assert true and assert false. As expected, they are providing or not. It will comparing both expected and actual result. If it is expected and actual result is true, is same, it will true. And it is expected and actual result is false, it will get the asset false. They will internally work internally their own. And what is the marking? Here, marking is the process of creating substitute object for the real object called marking, right? Substitute substitute object for real object is called marking. That what is that marking? Marking is called dummy object. Mark object is called dummy object. And here a mark object is used to what? What purpose they are used? Mark object is used to for unit testing. Unit testing. Why they are using? By using the mark object, we can achieve the isolation testing. What is isolation testing? Isolation testing means it is a unit testing means a testing only target functionality, target method functionality. It will testing only target method functionality. None other than it is not working. It is only whatever it is target method functionality you are expecting. The target functional that target method functionality as expected and actual value is getting same or not. If it is same, the test case will pass. If it is not same, the test case absolutely fail. Okay, there are the several framework available in the marking. What is that? Here the example of that mark: easy mark, wire mark, J Mockito, and power mark. These many things we have used. Here, what is you should learn what is easy mark and what is Y mark and J Mockito, power mark. These many things I will explain. But before that, you can visit, you can search in the Google what is the easy mark, what is the difference between easy mark and power mark. Some of the interviews will ask what is the difference between easy mark and power mark. Okay, you can verify them as expecting, and you can research. You can if you got what you have researched, just you need to put down all those things and you can check with them. Okay, that is called marking. I think today class enough. Tomorrow I will explain that what is that what is the code coverage. Okay, and also I will explain that one unit test cases. I will write test cases result as well. Okay, I will give one example as well. Okay, if you have any doubts, please you can comment in the below. Okay, if you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to my channel. It really helps me grow and bring more awesome content for you. Hit the bell icon so you never miss an update when I updated in the YouTube channel. Let me know your thoughts in the below comments. I love hearing from you. Thank you for your support. Okay, I am signing up. Bye bye.